Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to the code interview. Today's problem number 70, climbing stairs, easy level. It's a classic recursive problem and I will show you how to solve it. You are climbing a staircase. It takes n steps to reach the top. Each time you can either climb one or two steps. In how many distinct ways you can climb to the top. So how we can solve it? We can solve sub problems and each step I will solve two sub problems. One sub problems if we move one step, and second if we move two steps. And we need to add results of both subproblems together. So let's do it. So just add the result of subproblems n minus 1 plus n minus 2. Because it's a recursive call, we need a base case. Here we have two base cases. One base case if finally we will reach the top. In this case n equals to 0. It means we on the top. And in this case we return 1. It means we found one solution. Second best case, if we skipped with the top and out of the staircase. In case of n less than 0, return 0. It means here we can find the solution. So it means in first case we found one solution, in second case we found 0 solution. So that's it. Solution. Let's check tests. So it works, but here, as in the many recursive solutions, this algorithm has time complexity, has exponential time complexity, so it's huge and very slow. To solve it, we can add with annotation. It's add LRU cache, and it will save result of calling climb stairs for each n. So now we can check test again. It should work. Yes, it worked, and a little bit faster. And let's submit it. It works and pretty efficient. It's simple solution that shows how to use recursion functions to solve some problems. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.